To unrestrict CFD trading on Etoro, you need to understand the basics of the platform and the restrictions that apply to your account. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including contracts for difference, or CFDs. First, you need to verify your account by providing the required identification documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. This step is crucial in removing any restrictions on your account and allowing you to trade CFDs freely. Once your account is verified, you need to complete the appropriateness test, which is a short questionnaire designed to assess your knowledge and experience in trading CFDs. This test is mandatory for all Etoro users who want to trade CFDs, and it helps the platform to determine whether you understand the risks involved in CFD trading. After completing the appropriateness test, you need to accept the terms and conditions of CFD trading on Etoro, which includes acknowledging the risks involved in trading CFDs and agreeing to abide by the platform's rules and regulations. It is also important to understand the risks involved in CFD trading, including the risk of losing more than your initial investment. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to set a budget, limit your leverage, and use stop-loss orders to close your positions automatically when they reach a certain level of loss. In addition to these steps, it is also crucial to educate yourself on CFD trading by reading Etoro's educational materials, watching webinars, and attending online trading courses. This will help you to develop a solid understanding of the markets and make informed trading decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can unrestrict CFD trading on Etoro and start trading with confidence. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and never risk more than you can afford to lose.